Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Sign into Microsoft 365 at Office. Com with the account you want to update. Make sure you have a JPG or PNG under 4 MB and ideally a square image around 600 x 600 pixels. That avoids automatic cropping. If you're on a managed account, verify you have permission to edit your profile. Ask IT if needed. Once ready, click your avatar in the top right corner. Then select Change Picture to open the Upload dialog and pick your file. After you open Change Picture, choose Upload and select the file you prepared. You'll see a preview. Drag the crop handles to center your face and adjust the zoom so the head fills the frame. Rotate if the image is sideways. Use a simple, high-contrast background for clear thumbnails across apps. Make sure to click Save or Apply, otherwise changes won't commit. Once done, Microsoft begins propagating the new image across Exchange, Teams, and SharePoint, which can take several minutes. Save your change and then confirm across apps. Refresh Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive web pages to force the new image to appear. On mobile, make sure to restart the app or sign out and back in so the cache updates. If the picture still doesn't show, clear your browser cache or try an alternate browser. Sometimes a slightly smaller file size helps. If none of that works, reach out to your IT admin. Organization policies or directory sync can block profile photo updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.